Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to cover how to subtract decimals. In the last video I covered how to add decimals, so this is going to be the opposite. Okay, so I have two examples here. Example 1 is 29.8 minus 5.73. Example 2 is 168.09 minus 31.452. Okay, let's jump straight into the first example. So, just like adding decimals, we have to put the two numbers besides each other, below each other, I mean. So, 29.8 and 5.73. So, it looks like it's not lined up properly because there's some space here, and this one goes further than this one. But we can just put a placeholder 0 here to make it look a bit easier, and we can use this 0 to our advantage. So always line up the decimals like this. So these decimals have to be lined up for the whole problem. Okay, let's start by subtracting from the top to bottom. So 0 minus 3, you don't do that in these type of problems. So we take the 8 and we borrow 1 from the 8. So we cross this out, make it a 7. So the 8 is now a 7. And this is a 10 now. So 10 minus 3 equals 7. Now we just have 7 minus 7 equals 0. And just take the decimal straight down like this, because we have it lined up perfectly. You can just put it straight down. So 9 minus 5 equals 4. And 2 minus 0 equals still 2. So this will be your final answer. The problems some people make when doing these type of problems is not lining these up properly, the two decimals. So often they do like this, 29.8, and instead of lining them up like this, the correct way, they accidentally line them up like this, 5.73. But as you can see, the decimals aren't lined up properly and the values of the numbers are all incorrect. You will just come up with a completely different answer. So keep in mind to keep the decimals good lined up, and if you need a 0 placeholder to make it easier for you, you can just put it after. Okay, let's get rid of this real quick. So, alright, let's jump straight into the second example. 168.09 minus 31.452. So just like this one, we just line them up below each other. 168.09 and 31.452. As you can see, they're lined up properly because the decimal is below, right below each other. But like this one, you see, this one goes further to the right than this one. So we just again put a placeholder 0 right here. So let's start subtracting them. So 0 minus 2, we can't do that, so we have to take from the 9 again. So this becomes a 8, and this becomes a 10. So 10 minus 2 equals 8. 8 minus 5 equals 3. 0 minus 4, just like this one, we grab a 1 from the 8. This turns into 7. This is a 10 now. So 10 minus 4 is 6. Now take the decimal straight down next to the 6 because it's lined up. And then we just go further. 7 minus 1 equals 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. And 1 minus 0 is still 1. So this will be your final answer to the next problem. I think this one is a lot easier than adding the decimals because you can just borrow it from here instead of carrying them over like adding decimals. So yeah, tell me in the comments which one you like better, adding or subtracting decimals. So this was the video. I hope you guys understand how to subtract decimals. And if you like the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and as I said, you can always leave a comment if you've got any questions. So till the next video, bye.